Hey, Krista. Can I tell you something about school today?
Okay.
Picture days were awesome. You took the picture and I was like, okay, cheese. I actually farted. Oh my god, my face is red. Guess what?
Remember Peter Griffin? He's like, cough. That was so funny.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I didn't get to that part of the song. Now actually listen. Alright, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, fart your noise. If you're happy and you know it, fart your noise. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you don't make a giant fart.
Sammy says hi.
Hi, Sammy! You're probably gonna watch this video. I look like a So, tell her to look at farting noises on YouTube from my accounts. And tell her that we're making another one. Guess what? We're not in the middle of the night yet. But
She's grounded.
Oh.
She listened to Blood on the Dance Floor, I think, and she got grounded.
Well, I'm sleeping over tonight, so we're probably going to do this at midnight again. That's going to be like our tradition, okay? Every time we sleep over at midnight, we're going to start making fart noises.
Whenever I do that,
I'll make a video every time.
The metal part rattles my teeth.
I gotta sneeze. I mean, my nose